So that's when you thought you had all the rust fixed. Don't mind this thing. Looking pretty suspicious, right? Looking a little thin. You can see it cracked there, rusted through, and that's not going to work. Let's make a new piece. Already started it. Here's our replacing piece. Same gauge as the original stuff. Making the new piece, so that'll go right there. That'll make our door fit nice. So now we got to add a curve to it. Okay. So let's go back here to the shrinker stretcher. Here's the guy. There's their hero right there. Right now she's set on shrink. Now when this thing's set on shrink, you better keep your private parts out of there. Hate to shrink it down any more than it already is. Yeah, that would suck. So let's get this in here. Now we're set on stretch. So basically, if you look down in here, see that? As the handle comes down, it'll pinch the metal and it'll stretch it ever so slightly. Now, I already used the shrinker to add this nice curve to the side here. You can see where it kind of bites into the metal and shrink it. So now I got to add a curve this direction. So I'll actually put it in the shrinker or the stretcher, and I'll stretch this part, and as this gets longer, it'll add a nice curve to it. So put this in here. So now you see you got a little curve there. Gonna test fit it on the car and make sure we don't go too far here. And that's getting pretty close to matching that. That's pretty much almost the point where a guy could body work it. Well, actually the mother-in-law's gonna body work it. So. That's looking pretty good. Now, of course, the piece is a little bit big. I'd rather make it a little big so I can trim it just how I want her to weld it in, then go through all that work and making the piece and then have it just a little bit on the short side and have to make another one. So maybe take a little bit of the bend out of it. It's got a little bit over a 90. We don't want that. Relax that bend a little bit, and you know, do one of these here. That shape is almost right. I think I'm gonna have to maybe tighten it up at the bottom, or I don't know.
Really, Bob?
You fucking up that head, Mitch?
Making horsepower, Bob.